What's up, YouTube?
It's ASK Gang.
Back with another video.
And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can also know when the next video is out. But today we have another snack crate.
Once again, we don't know where it's from, so
let's get into it.
We're gonna see. Wanna open it?
Yeah, I'll open it this time. Pakistan.
Pakistan.
What kind of snacks y'all got?
Okay.
And as of course, this is how the box is and whatnot.
I like that.
Yeah, I kind of like how that style is.
That is pretty.
And of course, as always, they give us a paper that shows what snacks are supposed to be in there. But we're just gonna see what's in the box. So first, we got these chips. These are Chills potato sticks.
Lemon and chili. Lemon. These potato sticks.
Then we got the Liz French cheese potato chips.
Ooh, then I got more chips. Didn't I say I wanted more chips?
Yeah, you. Look like they gonna pop. I cannot say the name of that. Can you? Shanghai or Shali or
Shahai?
Shahai.
Shahai?
We told this.
Shahai? I don't know.
They look like they like the French fry type of chips.
Watermelon jelly jiggles.
Jiggles.
Jiggle.
These look like some fruit snacks. Yep, they're fruit flavored gum. Okay.
They try to say berry bite, a beet.
Yeah.
They just put, they took the,
So you get two of those. Then we have these, another jiggle watermelons.
Oh, different flavor.
Yeah.
This flavor is fruit flavored. And this watermelon?
Now we're starting to get to some candy. This one is going to be the wafer rolls.
I think we got some of these down here. I think we got some that taste like this.
We got their chocolate chip, and then you can see they also have it in their language.
Nano Jiggles Crunch. Fruit crunchy jellies.
We got that chocolata. Yes.
What's these?
These are the Nows.
Oh.
Chocolate paste.
It's from Candyland. Ooh, this feel.
It's probably paste.
Is it something to drink? I think it's something to...
I'm not sure.
Let me read the
We got the Novita chocolate wafers.
Yeah, they got a lot of snacks in there.
Got a lot of snacks. Look at these. You got these little candies right here. You got the candies, and I cannot say the other word, but there you go. I'm gonna leave those inside.
I'm a rock.
Yeah, you gonna try to say that. Then we got the Kokomo. These snacks. Next is the Prince chocolate. Okay.
You did these?
Yeah.
Chocolate filled biscuits. This what those was.
Then we got the Panda cake, which is a fun cake with yummy strawberry cream.
Okay, so with these, you're supposed to put on pancakes or waffles.
Okay. That's neat. We're
Breakfast in the morning. So you might we're gonna put these to the side.
There's two of them at that.
Yeah, we're gonna put these to the side.
Alright, so which one you want to try first?
I get to pick this time?
Yeah, you pick.
I'm gonna do these. These are chili chips. Okay, they have it at the bottom right here. These are
chili chips.
Ooh, they
look like they finna pop.
Okay, you open.
There we go. Full of air.
Yep.
I don't know what it tastes like.
Okay, they got a little. Okay.
Yeah, they got a little something.
I got a little kick.
Okay.
Oh, them got a kick too.
You good? Okay. I see you.
It's your turn.
I'm gonna go ahead and go with the chocolate wafers. I'm gonna need something sweet after that.
But you not like chocolate. You gotta move these to the side.
Well, that's all they're giving us, so.
Can you take the little candies out?
I just kind of left them in there. But it's like a wafer. But these are chocolate kind. I don't think we have any wafers that are chocolate.
They taste like the regular ones.
That was good. Your turn.
Not like the chips though. Potato crisp. Crinklies. We're doing the crinkly chips.
All right.
They don't taste too cheesy. They taste like a mild, like a little soft cheese.
We're gonna try these. These are them berry snacks.
Berry snack. I'm gonna open up
You pick
the
one.
watermelon flavor, and then this the mix.
You wanna pick one?
I'm gonna try these.
Oh,
and
okay.
open that one.
So they actually
That's-
try to make them in the shape of whatever berry they is.
The watermelon.
What?
This one you did. The dark one?
Mm-hmm.
Come do the red.
So all these are watermelon.
It tastes like we already had these.
I like that candy.
I'm gonna like the Sour Patch, but it's not sour.
Cause we have a watermelon kind like that too. Oh, it's technically your pick.
Okay. Okay, we tried those. We're gonna do the waffle rolls. We're gonna split this. Oh, these are pretty.
Okay. Almost like the straws that you would drink with a drink or whatnot. It's good.
Oh, it was
They're
different.
good. Yeah, that is different. I don't taste none over here. They're really good. Next we have the Kokomo.
Chocolate filled biscuits.
Oh, it's chocolate.
Right.
Chocolate. Who loves chocolate?
Me.
Well, comment down below if you love chocolate.
They got little ships on them, little boats.
Okay. Mine was supposed to have a character. It looks like a, I don't know what that is. A whale? Looks like a whale or octopus.
I like those.
I like those too.
They're gonna be too chocolate.
Okay, Pakistan. You ain't had nothing nasty, so.
No, everybody loves Chips Ahoy, chocolate chip cookies. Want to try this?
A little
I
dark.
don't want a
ain't
whole one.
it? Yeah.
Too much. Okay. I like it. Do you?
Yeah, they're good.
They're not sugary. They're not like over here.
Yeah.
They don't taste that sweet, and I can eat these.
Yeah. They don't taste very
They ain't
sweet.
overpowering with sugar.
Here is the panda cake. It has strawberry cream filling inside. So it is, oh, it's shaped as a panda.
Just gonna break it. There you go.
Whatever size you want.
Just break it. It was filled with strawberry. Oh, y'all can see. Look. Yeah, I like they snacks. It's soft.
Yeah.
Not overpowering with sweet.
Yeah, very not overpowering.
Okay, too much chocolate, so we're gonna try. I think this feel like a lemon.
Lemon type of candy or treat. Maybe to give you some freshness.
Yeah, be careful with these. And it has like a little pink. Is that pink in the middle or red?
I don't know.
It's good. It's not lemony. This must be a different kind of fruit.
Yeah, this is not lemon. I don't know what fruit do Pakistanis have over there. Comment down below what fruit they have.
I know, cause I like these.
Okay, I can eat those a lot. Like I can see myself just walking down there.
Okay, you can pick.
I'll go with the chills, which was one of the first snacks we saw. Oh, so they're just like the other snack that we had.
Is they lemon and chili? Them got a little. Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah. You all right there?
Mm-hmm.
Got a little kick to it.
That's a kick.
And yeah, she try to eat a lot of spicy stuff.
It's 100% real potato.
You better pick one of these candies and get that flavor off of you.
We're gonna try the French chocolate. Ooh, that has some little oomph. I'm gonna break this in half. Got the prints on it.
I am Prince.
Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Excuse me.
I guess it had more than a kick. Boy.
I'm getting a little piece. The man get the big piece.
I don't want a big piece, but Pakistan ain't missed yet. I was gonna try those things anyway.
Okay, he's gonna pick those, and then we'll have no choice but to do this.
These are the crunch.
Yep, the crunchies.
They're like little beans.
Little jelly beans.
So they're real small. Crunchy.
They're different.
Huh. They're good.
Like I said, that candy.
Hasn't missed.
Yeah, not overpowering with. It reminds me of Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah. Yeah. Next we got the Chocolato. I hope I'm saying that right.
Chocolato.
Chocolato. Chocolate.
Let him see how it look. But he done crushed it up.
I'm
They're like with something for Willy Wonka.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I got chocolate filling in the inside.
Okay.
That's good.
And there you have it.
Please.
Pakistan.
Y'all, please, if y'all want to see more videos and more content, let us know down below what you want us to taste besides, you know, the snack crates.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you get notified when the next video is coming in. And we will see you guys on the next video. Peace.